I get this question a lot. What is a reverse mortgage? And how is it different than just having a second equity loan on your home? We've brought in Kurt Franke to talk about the legal side of real estate and reverse mortgages. This is such an interesting topic. It's a reasonably new topic. We didn't hear about reverse mortgages 20, 25 years ago. And so they're really targeted to older people. Why is that? What do we have going on?
Well, a reverse mortgage is different, and probably the best way to start is talk about how it's different from a normal mortgage. A normal mortgage, you start out usually to purchase a home with, say, a $100,000 loan, and each payment reduces that loan. The reverse mortgage, you already have a home, and you're getting a loan on the equity of that home, and you really start out with zero, a basket of zero, and as you borrow from it, then you're creating a lien against the home.
So it really is targeted to someone who may have their home paid off, and now they're living off that equity. They're basically getting a paycheck from their home's equity.
And that's right. That's why I think it's directed more towards elderly people. They have a lot more equity in their home, and because of another factor of it, a lot shorter lifespan.
Okay, there's the reality of that. But there's also the fact that a lot of these only qualify to people over a certain age.
That's right, and the government has some standards as to ages that you have to qualify for a reverse mortgage. But essentially, a reverse mortgage is a mortgage that you build up, a debt that you build up over time with your house by borrowing. You can either have a monthly payment, a lump sum, or just a revolving line of credit against your home equity. And it's not due. You don't have to pay a cent upon it until your death, and then it's a lien upon the house at the time of death.
So if you have borrowed, let's say just for simple numbers, $100,000 against your home that is worth $200,000, then there is $100,000 of equity left over for either your dependents or whoever will be handling your estate when you're gone.
Yeah, actually, it's just against the house, so your dependents will never be on the hook for it if the house isn't worth that much money.
Okay.
But often these will say your dependents or your heirs have maybe 6 months to either refinance that house, to pay off the loan, or to sell the house and pay off the loan against it.
It's very interesting information. If you want to know more about a reverse mortgage and sit down with Kurt, they can find out if it's really something they should be doing because it's not for everyone.
Yeah, I think that's a perfect answer. It is something you want to consider and maybe something you want to discuss with your family, or maybe not.
Oh my. All right. So how do they get a hold of you, Kurt?
You can contact me at 827-6100, or you can go to my website, LOCAF, that's LOKAF.com.
It's the legal side of real estate with Kurt Franke, talking about making sure that a reverse mortgage is right for you.
That's right. It's a good question to ask an attorney.
Very good. Thanks, Kurt. I appreciate that.